What? What did I do? I didn't say anything.
What did this biker do to get arrested?
Now, put your kickstand down. You can do it, I can't do it. Go ahead, you do it. Yeah. I'm off the side. What was I doing? How do you go over
Hey, who do you think you are? Who do you think? Why do you speak with me like that?
You hurt me. Get off me, bro. Get off me. I never touched nobody. I never touched you. Get off me now.
Why do you think
Get off me. Yo, Alex, tell you to get off me now, bro.
Why did you hit him?
I didn't hit him. He didn't hit him.
Why did you speak with me like that? Why do you think? Why do
Take a deep breath backwards, all right, and blow in that like you're blowing a balloon up. All right.
The driver hasn't been drinking, which means something else is going on.
Please listen to me, all right? What you're saying, I'm not going to enter into a roadside debate about it, all right? There's a forum for what you're saying.
Yes, but I didn't get
mate,
no.
do me the respect of listening to me for 30 seconds. Do me nothing else tonight, but do me the respect of listening to me for 30 seconds. So what is going to happen? Are you ready to listen? All right. When the police stop you in the middle of the road for the purpose of a breath test, what we're doing tonight, you have an obligation to stop. Okay? If you're not prepared to stop, that makes you a dangerous driver. I'm going to refer you for a medical review. That means that you're going to have to basically repass your driver's licence and show us that you are fit to hold a driver's licence. Because, sorry, as a police member, I've got a wife and children at home. Shut up.
For me too.
There.
You two were stealing from all the stores on East Patrick. Go around, please.
No, I don't
Go the
see
other way.
nothing, sir. That is crazy.
No, I have it on camera. I took
Go see it.
I took the investigation.
Go see it.
Okay, were you not in the store on East Patrick Street?
No, I don't see nothing.
You were.
No, sir, I don't
You were.
see
And then the
nothing.
storekeeper saw you, and then he chased you down. And the guy, they described your vehicle. Yeah, it's close. Where's your identification at? Do you have ID on you?
Виж, очі, ти вже стоїш на
Where's your ID? Yes.
What do you need?
I need your identification.
This is for us people. I'm just kidding.
All the hangers. Perfect.
Oh my goodness, that is crazy.
Yes, it is crazy. So when I find the, where's your ID? Where's your identification? You have it? What's your name? Melissa? Okay. Melissa, I'm going to advise you of your Miranda warning, okay? Just so you're aware. You have the right to remain silent. Melissa, pay attention to me, not her. You have the right to remain silent. Anything you say can and will be used against you in a court of law. You have the right to talk to a lawyer and have him present with you while you're being questioned.
I don't understand English.
Okay.
Sorry.
No, but you could.
Because you're obstructing.
Yeah. This is my property. I would need you guys to leave and come back with a warrant.
Okay.
And I need to see it physically.
This was not going to happen. Okay.
Y'all gonna do it?
No.
Okay, then get the hell off
You
my
can
property.
walk over there and look at this tablet that has the warrant on it.
I'm not going to walk to your car. Come on.
Or we're going to come in.
You don't have no right to come in.
Yeah, it's the address of record with the court.
Okay, so can I see some type of paper?
We're allowing you the courtesy to come and walk up to the vehicle and see it. Because legally in the state of Florida, we don't need to show you absolutely anything.
I think you actually have.
I absolutely don't. I could actually put you in the back of the vehicle.
I'm not the one that you guys are looking for.
No, but you could.
Because you're obstructing.
Yeah, you could be doing something else.
You're currently
Show up to
obstructing.
my property.
Yes.
With no warrant in your hand, banging on my door, asking to come in.
Because we're coming to the address of record of a known fugitive.
I'm sorry, I can't help you. So,
Okay.
Thank you. Can I close my door, please?
No.
Well, then we're just gonna keep going back and forth.
That's right.
You guys aren't coming in. Cool. I can go ahead and call other authorities to get this solidified.
Go ahead and close the door for me for a second. I'll talk to you in a minute.
Yeah.